Primus gives you 4 platforms all in one smart system, integrating an upper and lower extremity system, a task simulator, a lifting system, and a cable system. This means Primus can be shared equally between occupational and physical therapists. Primus saves floor space, giving you the flexibility to treat a variety of therapeutic needs, all in less than the footprint of a single treadmill. Primus was designed with you and your patients in mind. Its swing arm, control touchscreen, is easily moved to either side of the system for maximum flexibility in treating patients. Print evaluation, treatment, and progress reports right from the machine. Primus gives you the ability to adjust the height of the workhead to duplicate a wide range of real-life tasks. It can be adjusted from overhead down to floor level with a position switch. The workhead unlocks and tilts, making it easy to put in different positions, tilted upward, forward, or pointed down. All the attachments are easy to insert. Many clinicians like to have their patients attach the tools themselves. This gets them doing a little bit of problem solving using both hands. Tools are easy to connect, and a little turn on the collar locks them into place. Normally in a treatment program, patients use 5 to 10 different attachments to perform different activities. It's easy to go from one setup to the next. When doing physical rehab, we always want to go from isolation to integration. This means we want to isolate individual muscle groups first. Then we progress to doing combination tasks, integrating multiple muscle groups. Primus allows you to replicate all of these motions, including lifting, twisting, and pushing a load. And with its wide range of attachments for duplicating real-world functions, Primus gives you the ability to treat almost any patient who walks in your door. It simulates life's activities to achieve functional outcomes that return your patients to their daily routines. Primus lets you go from upper extremity to lower extremity. To isolate for internal, external shoulder rotation, we can select the appropriate attachment, add an elbow support, and adjust the workhead. To control range, we can use the range of motion stops to set motion parameters. The optional patient positioning chair helps you isolate from muscle groups in various planes. It can also be laid flat like a bench. To use the chair, roll it into place and step on the pedal to lock all 4 wheels. You can use the straps to isolate a limb. The chest straps help you isolate for shoulder motion, and there's a seatbelt as well. For many exercises, strapping is not required. If we set the Primus to the concentric-eccentric mode, the force of the machine makes strapping optional. For example, to isolate for knee flexion, remove the handle and replace it with a shin pad. In the software, we set the new lever length. Then, we adjust the chair and place it into position with the appropriate depth. Next, we lower the workhead to isolate the knee. Finally, set the seat back to a nice comfortable position for knee flexion and extension. The machine is going to push the patient back to the start position, providing eccentric muscle loading. Then she can exercise from there, and it's easy to move in the other direction. If we want to do knee flexion, we just start over, following similar steps. But from a practical standpoint, having your client work in a standing position will aid in increasing core stability and muscle control, the way that we do in real life. Tool setups are limited only by your imagination. Gaining an understanding of the types of motions your patient has to perform will give you lots of ideas for appropriate setups. The cable system is the most versatile attachment. It has an 8-foot-long retractable cable. This lets you do 3-dimensional motion in any direction. We can start with a simple motion using the standard handle. This is a nice way to work on functional motions and core stability. Raising the workhead, you can go through PNF patterns. Crossing the midline simulates more functional motions, starting with high and going low. You can also bring the workhead down to the floor. Creatively simulate real-world applications with the cable system, attaching real-life objects of your own. Anything that you can clip to, you can attach. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Additionally, the Pro package is a very popular option. It contains a number of tools that give you more flexibility for a broader variety of clients, ranging from ADLs and functional tasks to specific athletic applications.